All right, everybody, our ongoing Saturday morning class. For our song by ear in this session, you're coming up with ideas, and our Dorothy came up with her pocket song that she can just play the snap of a finger, 5'2", and she shared the first stanza with us. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to play it and call out the chords to you. So here's our beat. It is a shuffle beat. Boom, chugga, boom, chugga, boom, chugga. I'm going to slow her down, I think, to about 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, C. 5'2", E7, eyes of blue, A7. Oh, what those 5 feet can do. D7, has anybody G7 seen my gal? Yes, we're in the key of C. G7, turn around. 5'2", E7, eyes of blue, A7. Oh, what those 5 feet can do. D7, G7, C. All right, let's try it again. A 5'2", eyes of blue. But oh, those 5 feet can do. Can anybody see my gal? So I'm doing a boom chuckle with my right hand. It's just a choice. Dorothy was turning the island strum into a shuffle beat, a shuffle feel, which is so cool. You know, the island strum is a down, down, up, down, up in a rock groove, but we're nipping and tucking it to use it in a shuffle beat. So it looked like this. I'm playing a C. Let me slow it down. 2, 3, 4, up, ba, 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 ba. Try it with me. And we get that lilt, that sort of skipping feel. Let's try that. I'm going to slow the drum down a little bit more here. We're at 100. 2, 3. I'm going to try that island strum. It's a great idea, Dorothy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5'2", eyes of blue. Oh, what those 5 feet can do. Has anybody seen my gal? Now let's do the boom chukka. 5'2", eyes of blue. Oh, what those 5 feet can do. Has anybody seen my gal? All right, what about Fancies? Let's see. A 5'2", eyes of blue. Oh, what those 5 feet can do. Has anybody seen my gal? So I'm kind of learning on the run here as well. I was playing a boom chukka in my right hand, and I was sliding with my left hand. Because remember, this is a pocket song. We don't want to make it so challenging that we have a brain freeze and we can't pull this off. So we want to be really judicious the way we choose these fancies. So let's just try that again. 2, 3, 4, 5'2", eyes of blue. Oh, what those thunder can do. Has anybody seen my gal? What if we just slide the G7? 5'2", eyes of blue. Oh, what those 5 feet can do. Has anybody seen my gal? So we just take the slide 1 chord at a time. Now, as we were making our way through this song over and over again, it occurred to me I think we have a couple measures of the A chord or an A7, which whichever one you choose. Well, maybe we could add a one-note embellishment to that. So here's where it is. 5'2", eyes of blue. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we have 2 measures of that A7. Let's fancy it up. So I'm just experimenting here. It looks like, what did I do? This is the process that I hope you go through too. I make my chord, and I'm making an A chord. And then I'm holding it in place, okay? And I have 2 fingers that are free, and I'm just going to start pressing in strings nearby. I'm not going across town here. I'm staying in the 2nd fret and the 3rd fret, because we're singing at the same time. We have so much bandwidth. So let's see. I took my ring finger and I went on the A string, and I got a little chord there. I put my baby finger on the A string, 3rd fret. Maybe that'll work. I don't know. 2nd fret, I took my ring finger and I put it onto the E string. I think I like that one. It's playing in the sandbox, and it's really, really fun. And when you're done, you just brush off the sand, okay? So let's play our A7 or A chord for a few measures, and I want you to find some 1-finger embellishments on that. I'm going to comp for you. 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to try a little. Let's just put it together from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5'2", eyes of blue. Oh, what those 5 feet can do. Has anybody seen my gal? One more time. 5'2", eyes of blue. Oh, what those 5 feet can do. Has anybody seen my gal? All right, don't get too excited. That was just the pentatonic scale. We've been working on that all through last year. We have it on video. So you can just do a search in the emails and find those particular video tutorials. But I'm staying very close to home, and I'm just doing. We're going to talk more about the pentatonic scale in the songs that we're doing in this session as well. So that's a fun way to end your pocket song, Dorothy. All right.